In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own background in Zoom. If you want to personalize your meetings, make your space look more professional, or simply hide what's behind you, changing your Zoom background is a quick and useful feature. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, join a Zoom meeting. You'll need to be inside the meeting interface first, because that's where you can access the background options shown in this tutorial. Once you're in, take a moment to look at the controls available on your screen. Next, click on More. This option is usually found in the meeting toolbar, and it opens up additional features that aren't shown right away in the main controls. If your Zoom window looks slightly different, don't worry. Depending on your device or version of Zoom, the layout may vary a little, but the More menu should still be available somewhere in the meeting controls. After that, click on Settings. This will open the area where Zoom lets you manage different meeting preferences, including audio, video, and visual customization options. Settings is where you'll find the tools needed to update how your camera feed appears to others. Once you're in Settings, click on Background. This section is specifically for virtual backgrounds, and it allows you to choose from Zoom's built-in options or upload one of your own. If this is your first time using it, you may notice a few default backgrounds already available. Those can be useful, but if you want something custom, keep going. Now click on the plus icon. This is the button used to add your own image as a background. When you select it, Zoom will let you browse files from your device. Choose the image you want to use, and once it's uploaded, it should appear as your new background. For the best result, try using a clear, high-quality image that isn't too busy or distracting. Good lighting can also make a big difference because Zoom needs to separate you from your background as accurately as possible. If the effect doesn't look perfect right away, adjusting your position or lighting can help improve it. And that's it. Once your image is added, your custom Zoom background should be ready to use during the meeting. It's a simple way to make your calls look cleaner, more polished, and a little more personal.